Up next at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2016 Ultra Limited in color Vivid Black. Previous owner installed custom dynamics LED turn signals in the front and the rear. 103 cubic inch engine with a 6-speed transmission. Previous owner also installed a Vance & Hines exhaust, which we will listen to shortly. Comes equipped with the rider backrest, as well as customized passenger floorboards. With only 2,857 miles. Let's listen to that exhaust. Fresh out of detail and fresh out of service. Come check it out or take it for a test ride 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.